Duol matayo tije bad migao mar obila komakore kod sikund puonjo riembo nyamburko moro e pacho ka omakore kanyakla mar keto ng'eyo kata puonjo derepe ewi chike mag apaya yo Nakuru gi Trans Nzoia motelo ne kinde nyasi mag sikuku ma bende en odiechieng' mar ringo chal mar apaya makare e piny mangima. E boma ma Nakuru, chenro ma kamano ne geto gache mating'o jowuoth e kind apaya ma Nairobi kochomo Nakuru nyaka Kisumu, kama ne giwacho ni kwan ji maromo 468 osewito ngimagi kokalo e masiche mag apaya nyaka ne chop tarik 4 dwe mar 11. Ne giwacho ni masiche moko ikelo gi gigo minyalo geng' ka gikwayo joriembo mondo luw makare chike mag apaya. Obila mag apaya bende nogolo siem ne jok maketho chike mag apaya ni biro ked kodgi kaka chik dwaro.
Barabara ni one of the most busy roads in Kenya. Ninakuja kwa maswali ya ndugu yangu Amolo la kuelimisha, lakini bora pia wewe ukuwe tayari. Wewe ni rafiki yako, hata relative yako hawezi kukuja Nakuru hapa ifanyike Kisumu, tunachukua. Kuna zile siku ambazo
my only appeal to all drivers is that we should be cautious, follow traffic rules, especially now that we are going to the festive season. And we'll be out. In fact, we are already out for the operations. We'll be very strict, and everyone must follow the traffic rules.
By 4th of November this year, we have lost a total of 4,068 lives, which is a lot. Pedestrians being the leading, 1,525, followed by boda boda and passengers and then drivers. This shows that the numbers are not going down compared to what we had in the previous years, and it calls for all of us to be responsible on the road, to drive carefully along the highways, be cautious, not to drink and drive, because a lot of factors that contribute to accidents include driving and alcohol.
We are doing this along the northern corridor because we've seen a lot of people are dying on along this road, and the question is, how can we come together and try and minimize what is happening on our roads, especially in terms of fatalities.